IngoMMT, we actually comprise of three very strong consumer platforms: TSYS Make My Trip, GoIbibo, and TreadPass. We not only solve for the booking needs of the demand that we are generating and the shoppers that are coming into our platform, but we also create a network effect by giving platforms to hoteliers and bus operators who can come in and distribute their products into these millions of Indians, and we create experiences that are not only booking but also inspirational.
As the name says, IngoMMT, In stands for inventory of our organization, which is GoMMT. Primarily, it was built to kind of store the inventory and then enable customers to do transaction on that inventory. But over time, this has evolved with pricing, offers, and a lot of analytics and insights to our hotel partners, where they can improve the quality of our listing and then in turn their business. So this platform serves about 4 billion searches in a day. We solve a lot of challenges of scale.
Their inventory getting sold out, their promotions are getting expired. There are some of the international hoteliers which are there in a different time zone. If we are communicating them at the wrong time, at the wrong place, it doesn't make sense at all. At IngoMMT, we actually take care of the whole life cycle of the hoteliers.
We were looking for a beautiful template engine so that people can configure different type of templates in a single place. Then we were looking at a very beautiful rule engine, where you can define user journeys based on certain attributes of an event or the data events that are happening in your backend system. And then we needed a place where you can do a performance metric analyzation and basically take decisions based on what is happening or how the hotels are responding to your communication. There were different systems who were solving this problem, but there was not a unified system which was able to kind of solve this problem end to end. But WebEngage does that very well.
IngoMMT was able to go live within 30 days with the support of WebEngage onboarding team.
We used it very differently than any other B2C company. We have done the SDK integration on mobile apps, but we also send events to APIs from the backend system to WebEngage, and then build user journeys on top of that, and kind of have a very smart re-engagement program if the user doesn't reply to those notifications and emails. So we use a lot of features and functionalities of WebEngage, like call-in API or sending an event to the WebEngage system. All these data points combined help them to price and update the content in a way which can yield a higher conversion for the hotels. The hotels which get higher number of bookings have higher repeat and they spend more time on the platform, right? But hotels who are getting less bookings or no bookings, we are trying to kind of improve their listing by certain suggestions so that they can start getting some bookings and the interaction with the platform increases. We track this very closely, our daily usage, monthly usage, and weekly usage. WebEngage has empowered us to kind of measure that metrics at a single place in a reliable way. So there is about a 1.2 to 1.3x increase in such metrics.
We decided we want to create compelling user journeys for our hotel partners, where we can communicate with them almost real time on their business metrics and what matters to them to sell more on our platform. Once we integrated WebEngage with our in-house seller engagement platform, or hotel engagement platform Sandesh, the possibilities were infinite. We decided to go with the most relevant one for the hotelier, which is inventory. If for a given date, if their inventory is getting sold out, which means they're not available for sale on our platform, we can nudge them through all the channels, all the possible communication channels, and tell them, hey, come back and add more inventory on GoMMT. WebEngage user journey creation, we are able to create these nice cross-channel journeys. As of now, we use email, SMS, web push notification, and app push notification.
We have diverse kind of hotel partners associated with IngoMMT. There can be a hotel partner which is pretty much evolved, who is doing great business with us. There can be another hotel partner who is basically an alternate accommodation. And the communication need for these different kind of partners is totally different. We can simply create these segments by WebEngage. In case of our international hotel partners, so while creating a journey, you can configure that communication should be triggered to a particular user in their specific time zone. So we have seen around 20% increase in monthly active users for some of our international geography.
There are business problems that you need to solve so that you can create impact for the business and for the consumer and for the ecosystem. And then you have to partner with right set of companies and products and people to make sure that they help you in this journey to speed up creating that solution for your business. And WebEngage actually did that, and the partnership actually took off. We started leveraging WebEngage for our demand side platform, GoIbibo, and then we actually saw a lot of value in it and ended up using it for our supply platform, hotel partner platform as well. There will be product changes or product requirements, tech requirements, ups and downs, that all happens. But if there is right kind of a collaboration between partners and there is right kind of a teamwork in delivering a solution, that's where the magic gets created. And I think that has happened and worked with us and WebEngage. The entire customer success team have worked tirelessly with our teams to ensure that our problems are solved. And that kind of a close relationship and close collaboration is what we have enjoyed with WebEngage. You're not only using a product, but you are creating these interesting relationships that helps you in driving your business better.